In this video, I will show you how to empty the trash in your Android phone. This is Android 15 and look, there is a video from Creator Insider. I can't wait to watch that. For now, we skip it. You know it's Android 15 because of these square icons, and that's how it is. If you have limited space on your phone and you just deleted some big files, some videos you recorded, some big ones, and somehow the space is still taken, it's not freed up, and you can see the storage space, how much storage you have used. So I have 200 giga of storage used, from which video 67 giga, apps 58, images 37. So even if I delete a video now, it will not reduce the size there. And I might actually try to do it. I will try to do it. I will record the video. I will record the video right. I will record some video right now. So this video is, I don't know, it's not going to be a really huge file, so you can't really tell, but I guess I'll record a few ones. So make like this horizontal, and like okay. So I recorded a few videos, and these videos are not really useful for me. I mean, they're just to demonstrate this video. This is the Google Gallery app, and that's the Google Files app. These both apps, they can clear the trash. Both these apps, they can clear the bin, but it's up to you which one you use. If you really use only videos, you can use the Gallery app to make sure you delete only pictures and videos and not other files. In the Gallery app, I have the videos there, and they're not very large, but if I delete them now, to delete the videos, all you have to do is long press on one of them, and you can delete multiple ones. You put check boxes on the ones you want to delete, and then press the bin. You get the notification that you are deleting some files. After you delete the files, you can actually find them in the bin folder in the Gallery app. Here you will see the files you have in the bin, and I can select the ones I want to delete, and I could keep some, for example, if I wanted to. For example, I could delete this one and these three. I could delete them selectively, delete permanently. You could also restore them. So if you want to restore them, it's just like the recycle bin on the Windows. Let's keep that one. Let's only delete these two. Like that. So I will delete. It's asking me if I'm really sure to delete this and cannot be undone. Yes, delete, again allow, and they say they have been deleted. So now they're not in the bin anymore, and I cannot restore them. Another way to delete the files from the bin. There was also the option to empty the bin here completely, so you delete all the files. I wanted to show you the other way also before moving on. So the empty is the easiest way, empty everything and it's gone. But maybe some things here you're not sure about and you just deleted some files recently. This is a really interesting way to make sure that you don't delete all files that you're not sure if you might want to restore. But you can also use the files. After you open the Files app, you can go to multiple storage locations. I have an SD card here. It's a 1 terabyte SD card, the AGI one. I made a video about it if you want to see. It kind of slowed down a bit. I don't know why. I think I put too many files on it, deleted, and then, I don't know, I will format it at some point to make sure the card is okay. And the internal storage, here I have in the internal storage, you can see the size for each download, video, images, audio. It's really useful to know what kind of files are really taking space on your phone, and especially you see all the storage locations. This is also useful. And what's important is that you look for the bin. To look for the bin, you go on the top of the phone, top left, and you see this hamburger menu, like 3 layers there. After you press the hamburger menu, you see this left menu here, clean bin settings. So you see already the size in the bin. You already see the size in the bin. That's 5.2 mega, not that much. But you'd see in your case it might be a lot more. If you're watching this video, probably you really need to free up some space. And I'm showing you now the contents of the bin. Press on the bin. So Here you can switch between internal storage or SD card. If you have if you have an SD card at all on your phone, most phones these days they don't have an SD card, but doesn't really matter. A file that has been in the bin for 3 days, a file that has been in the bin for more than 30 days, it will be automatically deleted, and you can manually delete the files. How I'm doing now, select all. But you see now, it's not only those video files, there's also a document. So you might have other documents, files, different formats that could be deleted, but the gallery app will not delete them because they are not photos or videos. So that's good to know also. And here I have the option to restore them and to delete them. The restore and delete, same as the gallery, but this is for all the files. You can see them as thumbnails to preview the documents better from this icon, but now they're all selected. You can deselect them, only select some specific ones, then press delete. Permanent. 2 files deleted, 119 mega. I don't know, it was saying that it's 5 mega before, now it's more. The videos are, I think it was only counting the PDF document. So let's delete the PDF document. Let's see how much it says now. It's in the bin. Now it says in the bin, it's 205 mega. I think it just didn't do an update on the value. That's what's happening. The problem here was caching. It didn't record the recently deleted files yet. No problem. Doesn't really matter. So I select all items, delete. That's all. I like this animation. It's pretty nice. So this whole bin is empty, and now your files, you can go back. The bin is empty and you gained a little bit of space. If you need more space, you can move the files actually. So if you need a lot more space, for example, if you have videos that you don't want to delete, because I don't want to delete these videos, I made them, I want to keep them, and it's this is the time when you connect the phone to the computer. You can also connect an external SSD drive like the Samsung T7 Shield. I really used it to transfer video files out of the phone. It's quickly, really fast, much faster than on a computer. I don't know why on a Windows computer it's really slow to transfer files, but if you have an external SSD, USB to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C, 3.2 is going to be the fastest. Some phones, they have USB 2 here, so it all depends on the port of the phone. In some cases, it might be faster to use the internet to transfer the files out, or even do some kind of a backup system. Let me know if you want to hear more about transferring the videos out of your phone or using backups for your phone. Usually people don't want to hear about that, so I don't want to go into too many details about this. But you write in the comments if you want to know more about moving pictures and videos out of your phone and into your computer on an SSD, so you keep them for later, and you can take more pictures, more videos with your phone. Thanks for watching. You don't have to delete your videos and pictures. You can actually put them on a computer drive or SSD drive. Even if you don't have a computer, you can put them on an SSD and just keep it in a drawer somewhere safe. That's all. Thanks for watching.